In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check copyright on Facebook Reels. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app, then navigate to the home page. Now click on plus icon given at the top right. Select the option Reel. Now start creating the reel. Go ahead and select the video that you want to upload as reel. Now from here you are able to edit it. You can add music, text, stickers. Once you're done with the editing part, click on next. Scroll down. You're gonna find the option of copyright check. Tap on it and a new screen will appear. Here simply enable the toggle switch next to check for copyright issues. Once enabled, tap done at the top of the screen. You can now add a title and description to your video before tapping on the Share Now button to upload it. Facebook will automatically check if your video has any copyright issues, helping you avoid potential problems. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.